Okay, that's the lobby right there. And that's the place where they always do their displays. Chinese New Year, Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, you name it, they do it right there. But anyway, you see a sign there that says Tram, Aria Express Tram, and the Park MGM Tram. This is a lifesaver in bad weather. When I say bad weather, I mean maybe 114 degrees, or in the wintertime, 45 degrees with 45 mile an hour winds. That Chinese New Year is beautiful. I did a video separate from that. If you want to see it, go look for it. But anyway, this is, it doesn't save that much walking, but it saves you miserability. I mean, you're in the air conditioning, so you're not in the wind. You can be in your t-shirt if you want, and you can get all the way to Park MGM. You can stop at Aria if you want, even if you're going to the Cosmopolitan. Well, no, I wouldn't take it for that reason, because the Cosmopolitan's pretty close to Bellagio. Probably wouldn't be worth it, but if you want to go to Aria and then go to Cosmo, then this would be smart. Interesting. Okay. So anyway, tucked up in here is a really nice bar. It's always got people here, and it seems like people didn't even know about it. It's completely off the beaten path. This is a packed night for Las Vegas. It's Thursday night before the Pro Bowl. There's also a huge convention in town. I think it's a joint convention with, again, with Concrete. I don't know what the name of it is. Forgot to look at that. Didn't do any homework. Okay, you'd keep going this way. Pretty easy. And these, also, even if you're not going on the tram, come back here to use the bathroom. You find a bathroom there, you basically would have it to yourself, unless the convention is going on here, which there's not one right now, and you would have it to yourself. Bring a laptop in there if you want. Like that restroom right there. Clean as a whistle. You could eat off the floor, but don't. Definitely don't. But if you do, post it. They don't have a place to plug in your air fryer though, so don't start thinking this out too hard. Actually, they do have a place to plug in the air fryer. But, you know, you didn't hear that from me. So straight away is Vidara Hotel. That's a totally non-smoking property, but it's not a gaming property. And then this is where we go to the tram.
Yes, sir.
And the good thing about the tram is it's beautiful up here. It's beautiful on each station. I can't remember if what this station looks like compared to Park MGM. Park MGM is beautiful. This looks like it's going to be beautiful too. I've been up here, but it's probably been 4 years, so I can't remember. Yeah, there's Rio way over there. Rio is one of the prettiest hotels. There's the Palms. Rio is a dump, but it looks fantastic at night from afar. but if you get close to it, it's far from good. So you have two choices here. You can go to the Express, which goes to Aria, and you can go to the one that goes to Park MGM. See what's over here. Yeah, so look at that view of Rio. That hotel is just unbelievably beautiful at night. If you fly into Las Vegas at night, that's one of the hotels you can identify because of those colors. I hope they remodel it and make it nice again. It used to be pretty good. But they have in their room, they have a porthole and a shower that goes into the bedroom. So if you got weird people in your room, well, you shouldn't. Just don't bring weird people. It's a pro tip. So we're gonna go to Aria. So we might pick this up when I get to Aria, because this might be pretty boring, doing nothing. But anyway, yeah, the Park MGM platform is a better view, except that Rio, that looks really good, and the palms over there. I hear they're doing a little better. Hard to believe those brothers sold that to Stations, but they did. Everything's for sale. Anyone that says something's not for sale is a liar. If they say it's not for sale, that just means they want a higher price. Crystals, Aria, and Park MGM. Alright, I'm going to turn it off when we get in here because it's boring in here.
Resort and Casino. With access to T-Mobile Arena.
Okay, we're at Aria. You could just stay on and go to Park MGM, which is the prettiest view, but I'm going to do an Aria visit. But that's just how easy it is. You go to the lobby at Bellagio, look for that display that they always do, Chinese New Year, Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Valentine's Day, I think. Maybe they don't. If they're going to do Valentine's Day, they better get on the stick. I heard that's coming up. It doesn't affect me. But anyway, so that's all I got to say about that tram. And then you're walking on carpet, which is good for your joints. So that's it. I mean, it's that quick. You're all the way to the escalator, and then soon we'll be at the tram. It's easy. And then soon we'll be at Bellagio. But you can go straight into Aria Resort and Casino. Just go straight ahead, which is a big bypass to the traffic, the ins and outs of the Las Vegas Strip. Straight that way, look, Aria Resort and Casino. But I'm going to Bellagio, so I'm going to go this way. But don't forget about that tram. That's a big savings. This tram is a big savings of time. And time is money. That's what they said. Actually, I invented that saying. Every time someone says that, they need to pay me 5 cents. Okay. Look at this. Plus, you get to see all this, which is very pretty. I have to admit, it's cold up here. The higher we get, the colder it gets. Okay. So now that's the. See, that's Park MGM swimming pool. Over there is New York swimming pool. That far swimming pool. That's Park MGM swimming pool. Park MGM. They're all nice. But the view up here is incredible. That's Aria Hotel right there, rooms. Some of these other rooms are condos. If you see the prices, they're not that crazy, but if you look at the maintenance fees, some of them are $3,000 a month just in maintenance fees. So think about that. I know you will when you're buying one. If nothing else, take the tram from Park MGM to Bellagio or the Crystals, and you get to see all this. That's enough about that.